In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Xero to the Australian Tax Office, commonly known as the ATO. If you're a business owner or someone managing financials, integrating Xero with the ATO can streamline your tax reporting and ensure compliance with Australian tax regulations. Let's walk through this process step by step, and by the end, you'll be set up and ready to go. First, it all starts by opening the Xero website. If you haven't logged in already, make sure you have your credentials handy. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Xero dashboard, which is the main hub for all your financial operations. Now, let's move into the core of the task. From the dashboard, look towards the top of the page and you'll find the Settings option. Give it a click. This will take you to a new page where you'll see various options related to your Xero account and settings you can adjust. Once you're in Settings, the next step is to click on Financial Settings. This is where you can access and configure all the financial aspects of your Xero account. This section is crucial as it allows you to manage your financial information and integrate with external services such as the ATO. After you click into Financial Settings, you should see an option that says Connect to ATO. Typically, this is where you'd initiate the connection process. However, if you're following along and you don't see the Connect to ATO button, don't worry, this does happen sometimes. It may be due to specific settings or criteria associated with your Xero account. What usually happens next, if the Connect to ATO button is not visible, is that Xero displays your software ID. This ID is crucial. The software ID is used to verify your account with the ATO and establish the connection. Take note of it, as you'll need it to finalize the link between Xero and the ATO. The final step in the process is handled on the ATO's end. Once Xero has displayed your software ID, the ATO will be notified about your attempt to link your accounts. There's nothing more you need to do in Xero at this point. The ATO will take it from here and usually sends a notification seeking confirmation on your side. All you need to do is simply confirm it when prompted by the ATO. This confirmation step is essential as it finalizes the link and allows your financial data to flow securely and smoothly between Xero and the ATO, making your bookkeeping and tax management much more efficient. And that's it. You've successfully linked Xero to the ATO. Remember, having these two systems connected will streamline your business's financial processes significantly, saving you time and reducing the likelihood of errors in your tax reporting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates and tutorials.